Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of the PenFed Power Cash Rewards Visa Signature Card, a credit card that promises straightforward cashback rewards and a suite of benefits. Whether you're considering adding this card to your wallet or simply curious about its features, stick around as we explore everything you need to know, the main features, the pricing, the pros and cons. Let's get started. The PenFed Power Cash Rewards Visa Signature Card is offered by the Pentagon Federal Credit Union, commonly known as PenFed. Established in 1935, PenFed has grown to become one of the nation's largest credit unions, serving millions of members worldwide. This particular card is designed to offer uncomplicated, flat-rate cashback on all purchases, making it an attractive option for those who prefer rewards without the hassle of tracking spending categories. Now let's delve into the main features of this card. Cashback rewards. Card holders earn unlimited 1.5% cashback on all purchases with no spending limits. However, if you're a PenFed Honors Advantage member, that rate bumps up to 2% cashback on all purchases. There's a welcome bonus offer where new card holders can earn $100 statement credits after spending $1,500 within the first 90 days of account opening. The introductory APR. You would enjoy a 3% promotional APR for 12 months on balance transfers made. After that, a variable APR applies. But note that balance transfers are also subject to a fee. There is no annual fee. There's no annual fee that you have to worry about, which allows you to enjoy your rewards without offsetting costs. Foreign transaction fees won't be a headache as well, because using your PenFed card abroad won't cost you an extra dime. So this card is really ideal for travelers. Visa Signature Benefits. As a Visa Signature card holder, you gain access to perks such as travel and emergency assistance, extended warranty protection, and concierge services. Security features. The card offers advanced security features including card lock capabilities, security alerts, and 24/7 fraud monitoring to help protect your account. You might be wondering though, what is the PenFed Honors Advantage program and how do I qualify for that 2% cashback rate? That's a great question. To be eligible for the Honors Advantage, you need to meet one of the following criteria. Military service. Be an active duty, reserve, honorably discharged or retired member of the US military. Or PenFed checking accounts. Be the primary owner of both the PenFed Power Cash Rewards Visa Signature Card and a PenFed checking account. For free checking account holders, you maintain a $500 minimum daily balance, or setting up a monthly direct deposit of $500 or more is required. Now, what to know about the pricing? As earlier mentioned, there is no annual fee incurred for this card. This makes it an excellent choice. There are also no foreign transaction fees involved. What are the pros and cons of using the PenFed card? First, we talk about the pros. Straightforward rewards. You earn unlimited 1.5% cashback or 2% even for Honors Advantage members on all purchases. Cost efficiency. The absence of an annual fee and of foreign transaction fees make this card a budget-friendly choice for both domestic and international use. How about the cons? Membership requirements. To apply for this card, you must become a PenFed member. While membership is open to everyone, it does involve opening a PenFed savings account with a minimum deposit. Qualification for 2% cashback. Earning the higher 2% cashback rate requires meeting specific criteria through the Honors Advantage program, which may not be feasible for all applicants. Limited additional benefits. Compared to some other cashback cards, the PenFed Power Cash Rewards card offers fewer supplementary perks and protections. Introductory balance transfer. On balance transfers for 12 months, 3% fees apply to each transaction, compared to the 0% APR for some cards. The actual fee is also subject to credit approval. In conclusion, the PenFed Power Cash Rewards Visa Signature Card stands out as a solid option for those seeking a simple, flat-rate cashback card. Its unlimited 1.5% cashback on all purchases provides consistent rewards and the potential to elevate that rate to 2% through the Honors Advantage program adds significant value for qualifying members. The lack of annual and foreign transaction fees enhances its appeal, particularly for budget-conscious consumers and frequent travelers. However, it's important to consider the membership requirement and the specific qualifications needed to access the highest cashback rates. While the card's features are competitive, individuals who don't meet the Honors Advantage criteria might find similar or better rewards with other cashback cards that don't have membership stipulations. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Citi Double Cash Card, Chase Freedom Unlimited, and Wells Fargo Active Cash Card. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.